Here's a problem you should be aware of if you are going to use natural products or even man-made products for stairways with a tread nosing or an overhang. You can see here that the tread, the front of the tread, or the step is protruding past the face of the riser. The problem that I am going to suggest you should be concerned with will not be a problem if the stair tread, the front of the stair tread, is even or flush with the face of the riser. So these would line up and it would not project past the face of the riser. Here's the problem I'm suggesting, and it could actually be a problem that they've already dealt with. And that is the fact that weaker materials, some man-made, some natural products like these, will actually break off. The front of them will break, a corner section will break, especially something like this. This should have been placed on the outside where nobody would even be coming close to stepping on it. A section like this, since it's not long enough, it's actually weaker, and it's near the center, which is the high traffic area of a stairway. If someone comes down and they step on this part, they could actually just break the whole section off. Probably not going to be the same if you step over here. However, you could have the same problem if you step near the end because the corner could break off. I hope that makes sense. So the point of the video is just to simply make sure that you're using either thicker materials. Don't use thin materials. You can see here that this platform was finished with this type of paver. And then they either didn't have enough room or it wasn't going to work out. So they went ahead and put a thicker stone in here, and this looks like the regular size. I'm guessing these could all be cut from other materials. A solid piece, I've seen this before where they have solid pieces, that would work a lot better, but don't be confused here. I've seen solid pieces that break or chip off the front because it's a softer material. You need a hard material. Bricks are normally hard enough for something like this, and they actually do make certain products that work better for stair nosing than a regular common brick. But you would need to check with the product manufacturer for that. Don't forget that product manufacturers, sometimes their representatives are going to provide you with incorrect information. I know it's hard to imagine, but it does happen every once in a while. That's one of the reasons why I make these videos, to point out stuff that you might go down to your local landscaping material supply where you get bricks, or your home improvement center, and ask somebody, can I build this with this? And they're going to say, of course you can, when reality, the real thing is totally different. So use a lot of common sense. Do your homework. If you're not sure, play it safe for a stairway like this, and don't have a tread overhang. Simply stop it at the face of the riser. So an example for this stairway right here, you would just bring the front of the riser out to be even with the front of the stair tread nosing, and you would just bring this whole stairway out. So the stairway would probably finish about here, and that wouldn't be a problem. You got plenty of room for something like this. If it is a problem, then you might need to make the deck a little smaller. And if it's a big problem where you can't do anything, then you might not be able to build the stairway at all. So anyway, that's it for this video. If you are going to build stairs with natural or man-made products, and you want to put a nosing on it like this, then think twice. I cannot tell you how many times I've seen them chipped off or broken. And if you don't have the product, it's no longer available, then you are going to be in a world of hurt.